how to make website on WordPress with Elementor, and by the end of the video you'll be able to create your WordPress website and it's going to be mobile responsive. So guys, before I begin, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. And if you're new here, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorials, plugin reviews, and I also show you how to make an online brand, so please consider subscribing. And if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So let's begin. So the first step of creating a website is we need a hosting. Okay, and for me Bluehost is the best web hosting because they give you free domain, free SSL. So just get started. Click here. I would select the choice plus. Okay, so currently I have a 70% discount on this. The link is down below. The link is in the description, so go and buy it. Put down your domain and then just click next. I've already purchased it, and just fill in everything and select for 12 months and submit. Once you do that, once you're done, then you just have to log into your hosting. Is just log in and just do login. Guys, the best thing about this Bluehost is it's one-click installation. So it's very easy to install WordPress. I'm just gonna show it to you right now. Just click on my sites, create sites. As you could see, put your site name. So I would say site demo site 1. Okay, I'm not gonna put a tagline because it's a demo site. Also, I'm gonna put a demo site 1. For you, you're gonna put your domain. Okay, and I'll do demo site 1. I'm not gonna install any of these right now, and I'm just gonna click next. And this is it, guys. Your WordPress is installed. You need to congratulate yourself. It's so easy to install WordPress. Now the second thing we see, it's done. Our website is created. So it's just loading our WordPress website. It's so easy with Bluehost. So once this is done, let me log in. So now we are into our WordPress dashboard. If you go on visit website, this is our website right now. So first thing first, okay, if we open our website in incognito, so it's gonna show. Let me open in incognito. So it's gonna show like this. It's coming soon. So to remove that, all you have to do is click on this thing you see on the top, coming soon. Okay, click over here and just launch your site. And this is it. Your website is launched. Now the second thing you have to do is go on settings. On the left side there's settings, permalinks. From plain you need to make it to post name. The reason for that is you want your pages and your post to say the keyword. Currently right now the pages are showing some number, but we don't want that. We want the post name, just because it will help our website rank much more better in Google. Save changes. So now our website is ready. This is how our website looks. Now we could just do one post. Just click add new. So now we are here, demo post. Okay, demo post, and then we can say just write okay, that's it. Just publish, and once I just refresh my website, so see, you could see demo post, congratulations on your first website. So now that's done. Now we'll install a theme. Okay, so now the first thing is come on themes, click on add new, just type Astra. So you need to install this theme, so just click So just click install. Now it's installing. So now just click on activate. And guys, you have installed a really good theme. This is Astra theme. If I just refresh my website, it's gonna change everything. See, now it looks very different. So basically the theme is the skin of your website, the design of your website. Now what we have to do is, as you could see over here, come back to your dashboard. So from here, if you want to come back, just click dashboard, and then you will be back to the dashboard. If you want to see your website on the top left, just click over here, and you could see your website. So now anyways, we are over here. Click on appearance. Once you're in appearance, click on Astra options. Okay, once you're in this option, just click this one, install importer plugin. Once this is installed, it's activating right now. Now we're going to choose Elementor. Basically these are the drag and drop builders, and all of these are free, but we are going to use Elementor, and click next. Once we are into Elementor, so now as you could see, you could choose a website what you want. So currently for me it's going to be a blog, so I'm going to select blog, and then for me I will just see which one I really like. So I really like this one, so I'm just gonna click over here, or maybe I can go back because all the agency ones are paid. Okay, so I think so only this one's free. So what I'll do is I'll just click on free because I want to do it for free. And then if you want to create your online brand, you could select this website, but I want to select a blog. Just gonna do this thing, and I'm just gonna click import site. So now depending on your internet speed, it's gonna take 2 to 10 minutes. So guys, it just took me 1 minute 11 seconds. Now I can just visit my website, and then again guys, as you could see right now, our website has completely changed. Congratulations on creating your first WordPress website. Now I'm going to show you how you could edit with Elementor. Okay, it's really simple. Just if you could see this, just click over here. So Elementor is a drag and drop builder. It's very easy to use. You don't require any coding. You don't require any HTML. It's just drag and drop. If you know how to use MS Paint, you could use this thing. So creating website is really easy. And if you see so yeah, we are over here. So guys, let's create your own website. Yes, and then I just don't want to just right click and delete. I can just click over here, read more, find out more, find out more. The best thing about this is if I just say preview, I can, as you could see, it's just saving and it's previewing, and it's mobile responsive. So as you could see, everything is mobile responsive. So the best thing is you don't have to do nothing. Okay, if you want to change this thing, so there's this one website called Unsplash. You get free photos. Okay, I could select model. Okay, and then these are free images to use. You could just download this one, and it's free. Okay, you can just download it, come back to your website. Okay, just click these 3 dots, the dots you see on the top. Click on style. You just remove this image and you can add that image. You just drag and drop. I just took this image, I dragged it over here. Just take this, drag it, and I'm just gonna let it upload. It's gonna take some time, but then it's gonna do it. So come on, I think so my internet speed is really slow, but once it's uploaded, you can just insert media and see. As you could see, it looks really good. You can change everything default. You could do top right or center, or you could just do top center. So I feel this one looks good, and you can just fixed or default. So I would say scroll or fixed. So you could just do anything you want with this. Just update it. Okay, now the next thing is you can change your logo as well. To change back your logo, all you have to do is go back to just go back to your dashboard, click on Elementor, or click on appearance and Astro options, and upload a logo. So guys, I've created a free tutorial on how you could create a free logo. Okay, there's one over here, and then how to create a logo, there's another one as well. So how to make a logo, I've shown you over here, so you could just go and watch the video, but it's really easy. So once you create your logo, you just have to come here and upload it. I'm just gonna show it to you right now. So once you're here, just change logo, come on upload files. I've already created my logo, so I'm just gonna do this thing and just select and then crop image, and as you could see, my website's here, publish, and that's it. It's published. I can see and check my website, and looks really good. My website looks really good. It's very mobile responsive. The pictures look really good. And also one more thing I'm going to show you is how to add a new page and how to add a page over here. So creating a new page is just like creating a new post. It's very easy. To create a new post, it's add new. To create a new page, it's add new. Create a new page. So once it's loaded, guys, all you have to do is come over here, put your page title. That's gonna be about us. Write something about me. I am Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorials. Okay, I'm just gonna publish it. Once it's published, I select view visit. If I go to visit website, it's not showing over here, right? So all you have to do is click on appearance, click on menus, and then about us, add to menu, and save. And once you go back over here, just refresh the page, you could see about us is here. So guys, this is how simple it is. But now you are telling me that this doesn't look good, so we can edit this with Elementor again. So we can just do edit with Elementor. It's updating. And editing with Elementor is again really easy. It's just a drag and drop builder. What I do is I just click over here, click this thing, or there's a template. So I always select the template. There are some paid templates and there are some free templates. I'm gonna use the free ones. I'm gonna search about. Okay, and I for me. So if you see, the pro ones are paid. I think so I'm just gonna insert this one. This one looks really cool. You can just try. It's just very easy. You can drag, drop everything, and as you could see, it looks so cool. Okay, imagine this looks so cool. If you want to add something over here, you can just push it, and you can see references, and there's a star. Updated. And then if I just want to see preview changes, see guys, looks so good. Okay, So it's really easy, guys. If you want, you can drag, drop, anything is possible with Elementor. You just have to click over here. You can add anything you want. You can add anything you want. It's so easy. You can add a heading. You can just push your heading here, and that's it. And this is how you create a WordPress website using Elementor. And thanks for watching. And as I told you, I have a free bonus. So guys, I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. It's step by step. I tell you how to use WordPress, the best SEO plugin, the best hosting. You know, the best hosting is Bluehost, and we have 70% discount. The link is in the bio, so go and check it out. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.